This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot fudge at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious treat. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. Gradually pour in the heavy cream and add the butter. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly with a whisk. Continue stirring until the butter is fully melted and the mixture comes to a gentle boil. This step is crucial for a smooth, lump-free fudge. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the fudge simmer. Stir frequently to prevent scorching. You'll want to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens to a beautiful, rich consistency. For precision, use a candy thermometer. It should reach 235 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your fudge will be perfectly thick and decadent. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Allow the hot fudge to cool for a few minutes before drizzling it generously over ice cream, brownies, or any dessert you desire. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Reheat gently for that fresh-made taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.